The three Georgia men convicted of murdering Ahmaud Arbery will be back in federal court.
Hearings set for their upcoming hate crimes trial. A judge has already sentenced Travis McMichael, his father Greg, and their neighbor William Bryan to life in prison for their roles in the 25-year-old shooting death. In the federal trial, jurors will have to decide whether Arbery's murder was motivated by racism. News4Jax reporter Ashley Harding is live from the federal courthouse in Glynn County. And Ashley, jury selection set to start soon.
It is, Bruce and Jennifer. Good morning to you both. It is going to start in just over 3 weeks, but this is a motion that was filed by Ronnie Bryan's attorneys asking that certain evidence be excluded. Now, it doesn't say exactly what evidence it is, but we could find out at the hearing, which starts here at the federal courthouse in just about 3 hours. But it also says the government filed a motion to prevent references to the outcome of the state murder trial. Now, remember, these are two separate issues. All three defendants were convicted of killing Ahmaud Arbery in Superior Court last November. Ronnie Bryan is the only defendant who could have a chance at parole. Now, the men now face hate crime charges in federal court, with prosecutors saying they violated Arbery's civil rights, unjustly pursuing and threatening him on a public street because he was black. And evidence of racism that state prosecutors chose not to share with jurors at the murder trial last year is expected to be front and center in this trial. Now, last month, ahead of the three defendants' sentencing hearing, I asked Ahmaud Arbery's aunt about the upcoming federal trial and how the family is preparing mentally and emotionally. This is what she told me when we spoke on the phone.
Yeah, we're actually going to be opening up wounds that we were trying to start healing from. We'll be, of course, reliving February the 23rd all over again. But this case will be different because we will get to hear some of the things that we heard in the preliminary hearing that was actually exempt from being said in the actual hearing or the trial.
And during one of the earliest pretrial hearings, an investigator testified saying Ronnie Bryan overheard Travis McMichael utter a racial slur seconds after he shot Ahmaud Arbery. And just days ago, Travis McMichael's attorneys filed a motion asking for a new trial, saying state prosecutors failed to prove his guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Now, the federal judge in this hate crimes trial said the jury pool can be expanded to include people in more than 40 Georgia counties. The hearing today again starts at 10 o'clock. We will be inside. I'll send it back to you.